In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Zoho Mail support team and talk to a live agent. So if you're facing issues with your email account, billing, or settings, Zoho provides multiple ways to reach their support team. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho team. You can scroll down into the page and find the support contact options. But in this case, we're going to the Zoho Mail help. And in here, as you can see, we can search for a customer agent in here that we want to talk. We can search what we need to know. And now, after that, choose a contact method. In order to choose that, is Zoho offers multiple ways to talk to an agent. So scroll down and then you will see an options in here. You can fill out this form and then contact their agents also. They have an available agents to some countries. Unfortunately, we don't have a agent here in the Philippines, but yeah, they have so much ways to contact with their agents. So just simply choose whatever options you want to use to contact their agents. And that's it. That's how you can talk to an agent on Zoho Mails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.